I'm Ashley with Cool Kids Knit, and today we're going to go over your brand new and exciting kit from Sierra Yarns. If you are a brand new knitter and feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry, I'm here to walk you through everything inside your kit, what it means, and where to get started. When you open your kit, the first thing you'll probably notice is your beautiful yarn. You will have just the right amount of skeins for your project. You will absolutely want to unwind this before you get started. I will have a video in this playlist on how to do that. You will also receive a pair of circular needles. I also have a video in this playlist about the difference between circular needles and straight needles and why these are preferred. You will also receive a printed pattern that we will go over in another video. As well as the printed pattern, you will also receive a video tutorial of the pattern, which is super helpful when you are a beginner. And lastly, you will receive a cute little label that you can put on your project when you're finished. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or concerns, go ahead and leave them down below. Otherwise, happy knitting.